Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about some of the best dividend stocks that are out there with huge upside potential, as well as, I wouldn't say huge, but moderate upside potential, but at the same time their annual or so to say quarter dividend return is quite interesting. And I would say, if you, for instance, in one of those stocks, IRM, that I'm going to mention, if you put 1500 to $2,000 on annual basis, you are going to be obtaining around about $100 more or less consistently as a dividend yield. So I think you're going to find this video of value, so stick around. So the first stock I'm going to talk about is IRM. It's a real estate sector oriented American company. So if we have a look at the profile of the company has been founded in 1951. It is a global leader for storage and information management services, trusted by more than 225,000 organizations around the world, and its real estate network is 90 million square feet across approximately 1,450 facilities in approximately 50 different countries. So this company is a global leader, and its market cap is 10.7 billion, with its 52 weeks high being 41.32. So it has at the same time an upward potential, as well as its dividend yield is 6.64%. This company for sure will benefit from the reopening as it continues to add more and more digital centers, and it's one of the rarest company which has not been affected by the current correction in the market. The whole market is in red in the last 3 to 4 weeks. But if we look at the chart of this company, the 1 month chart of this company, on March 1st, this stock was trading at $34.98. Right now, it's sitting at $37.28. Tells you that it was at the same time when the rest of the market was going downward. There has been huge correction in some of the stocks from the EV. They went down literally 90 to 100%. Tesla by itself was trading at 900 3 to 4 weeks ago. Right now it's around about $618, indicating to you that the whole market has been in correction phase. But if you look at this stock, it's a very, very attractive stock, I would say, at this price. So for sure I will consider this in my long-term portfolio, for my retirement portfolio, for the dividend yield, as one of the very interesting stocks, so to say. The second stock that I'm going to talk about is Procter & Gamble PG. It's also a very, I would say, it's a global player in the consumer products. Procter & Gamble is also very popular in the States, but its roots are established all around the world, in particular in Europe. The markets, if you look at, for example, a certain warehouses, they're literally all the time empty of the products the Procter & Gamble are providing. The market cap of this company, look at it, 333 billion worth of a company, with its 52 weeks high being 146. If we look at its chart in the tip rank, it indicates that there is 11 to 12% upside to this stock in the view of the analysts. So it is considered as a moderate buy. So it's one of the stocks which is on consistent basis increasing its annual yield. I think in this after the first quarter in April, it will increase 5 to 6% of its dividend yield. So it indicates to you that this stock has very strong fundamentals. It has upside potential as well as consistent annual dividend yield. So I highly recommend this stock if you're interested in investing in the dividend providing stocks. I will highly recommend Procter & Gamble as well. But for sure, do your own research and only then invest in companies, because it's always good that you made the decision based on your own gut feeling rather than listening to some guy who is sitting on YouTube in his own apartment. The last stock I'm going to talk about is a pharmaceutical company, Johnson & Johnson. They recently released their vaccine and got the approval for their vaccine against COVID. Johnson & Johnson is not just a pharmaceutical company. If you look at its chart, I was reading about it intensively before the video. They have very wide established roots. They have a diversified healthcare system. They have consumer products that they're releasing on consistent basis. They're also like involved in generating and producing medical devices, as well as at the same time it's a pharmaceutical company. As we know that right now there are more than 10,000 companies fighting for generating the vaccine against corona, against COVID, SARS-CoV-2. Johnson & Johnson was, I believe, 4th or 5th in the chart. So it tells you that this company is not far behind. It's one of the leader in pharmaceutical industries. Its market cap is 434 billion, with its 52 weeks high being $173. If you look at its trip rank chart, it's also indicating that it has 15 to 16% upside potential as well. So this stock I will for sure, alongside IRM and PG Procter & Gamble, consider for my long-term dividend yield and dividend annual return, as it is providing 2.45% of dividend. So this was my brief Sunday video for you regarding the dividend stocks. If you found this video of value, please hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.